Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are discussed about how to earn money from how to earn more than $1,000 per month on Fiverr. Here is Fiverr is the gold mine. Fiverr is good to make some additional side income, also a good source of repeating income. Uh, Bringing in a cash on Fiverr is lovely, basically done direct cycle. You can upload a service offer known as a gig. A basic price start from $5 and goes up to $5,000. Pro sellers can earn nearly $30,000. So it's depend on how much you want to earn. There are four level of seller on Fiverr. Pro seller average income as per the statistics. Pro sellers average earning is $25,000 to $30,000, and the basic cost of the gig is $1,100 and be completed 90 plus order in 3 years. He earned more than 1 to 100k 2300 dollars, sorry, 102k plus dollars. Top rated sellers. Keep in their mind there is not a huge list of pro sellers, but there is a big amount of top rated seller as per Fiverr. More than research the amount. The average completed order ratio is 900 and the average price is 90. So on the there are earning monthly 3,000 to $5,000. The level 2 seller, there are more than 10 million level 2 seller and the average earning is $3,000 to $4,000. Level 1, there are also more than 10 million level 1 seller and the earning is $1,000 to $1,500, sorry, per month. As per deep research, I found some of the common things will help in earning extra. Offer a gig you are comfortable with to offer a gig you are comfortable with to evade burnout and make the most of your work. Offer a gig to you appreciate doing. It won't feel like work. You will have an option to give good quality and worth. The best gigs are the little they are take you a couple of moments to finish. Some important things to be focused. Exploration your competition before you get too energized and offer you administration available to be a purchase. Do a tad of exploration. It's help to understand with what different sellers are offering, so you get a feeling of how market request is your administration. Consider make on an outstanding platform profile, show your identity, be savvy your gig description, future your adoption. Now first, your profile helps offer you support of a forthcoming buyer. Ensure you can stand a part of making a reliable and critical individual brand. It's a human insist to need to be see the sense of individual behind an administration. It is important land your description should be short and reasonable yet impressive. Think about some initiative ways to future your aptitude on the chance that you are another other drawing in and allegedly composed portal goes far. I hope you like this video. Press the bell icon and press the subscribe button. You will watch another video in this channel.